afternoon, Miss Lillian's friends. How are you guys? I am Heather Marsigliano from Grace on Broadway and Grace on Design, and I am a Miss Lillian retailer. I love being a Miss Lillian retailer. There's so many great things about it. Lots of amazing products, amazing colors. There's no requirements. I mean, the list goes on. I just love it. So I'm here today to work with you guys. We're gonna make a quilted heart, or we're at least gonna start it and see where we go, because these do take a little bit of time. The colors that I picked are Peacock, Hi Tina, Mother Nature, and Malted. So these three colors. And we're gonna use a paper called Havana Roses by Grace on Design, which is this paper, okay? And that's what we're gonna do with the heart. So, the first thing I'm going to do is drop you guys down so you can see the project. And there you are. So, the plan is paint, paper, paint, paper, paint, paper, paint, okay? So, paper, paper. We only need one sheet of paper. And I would prefer get some of these pretty flowers in there, okay? So we're going to take our paper out like that. I have a razor. I already used Miss Lillian's water-based stain in black on the wood prior. And then this one is going to be paper too. So now, these paper packs come with two 24 by 36 patterns, and we're only using these two strips. So you have a ton of paper left over, okay? I'm gonna put these over there for a second. Now we're gonna paint our paint. I have Peacock out already, and I think that the center will be fun in Peacock. If we go into the grooves, it's no big deal. At that point, we can just take a small art brush and just use our black onyx paint and fix the groove. That's the reason that I stained it with black to begin with, is because black would be the easiest color to fix the grooves. Perfect. Look how pretty Peacock even looks just with the stain. All right, so now let's do this bit here. So this is Malted. So Malted is hands down my favorite Miss Lillian neutral. Hands down, super fun. Let me grab a brush. Alright. So, kind of like mush it around a little bit, mix it. Let's do this strip in Malted. Guys, this is looking awesome even without the paper. We're not even at the paper part yet, and I'm loving it. So now we're gonna paint this edge here. And for this one, I picked Mother Nature from Southern Junkers Mother Nature. We don't need that much. I just like to pour paint, I think. I always think I need more than I do. All right, so look how fun this is, and we didn't even put paper on it yet. All right, so this is just Topcoat. It's Miss Lillian's just water-based Topcoat. She calls it satin luster. All right, nice even, full coverage. Now remember the papers that we put aside? That's where they're gonna come in right now. You can see this edge was loose, okay? So we have to add some more water-based Topcoat. Now let's let that one dry. And we're gonna do this panel. Isn't this fun? Like, it's totally pretty just like this, but we're gonna add some more flowers, okay? Because who doesn't want flowers? It's a Valentine's Day decoration. Easy peasy, right? So easy. Okay, then all we're gonna do, we're gonna take our little razor. Another thing to be careful with, okay? And we're just gonna kind of lean it carefully against the wood. And it will cut our paper into shape for us. See how quick that was? And then in this groove, I'm going to do the same thing because I have a little bit of extra paper and I don't want it. I just don't want it. So we're just going to get rid of it. Well, I have it then, right? There we go. That one little bit was being super stubborn. Let's get around this bit of our heart. Let's go from the top down here. Move our paper out of our way. Look at how fun this is. Do you love it? I think it's so fun. Now, it took us a total of 20 minutes to make it. Literally 20 minutes. That's nothing. And it could have been made with scraps. This is just wet. It's going to dry this color. It's just wet because that's where we added more Topcoat. So there it is. So super fun. It's all going to dry the same. I'm going to take pictures for you ladies, but this is definitely just a fun project. It's a great class. You can use scraps of decoupage papers. You don't need to use a whole big huge one. You can use leftover paint. Like, this is a great project for when you just want to use your leftover stuff that you happen to have. So this is my quilted Valentine's Day heart. So thank you for watching. If you do want to follow me or you need any products, I will put my link tree in the description, okay? I'm Heather from Grace on Broadway, and this is Miss Lillian's page, and all of the products are hers. The paper is Grace on Design, which is ours. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys later. Bye.